welcome back to our kitchen and channel, and we're going to be doing some cooking today.
Making some butter masala.
Yes, it's really good. It's like it's inspired Indian dish, but from what I hear it's not traditional, it's more Americanized, so I like it. It's good. You eat it with some
Rice and naan.
yes, naan is good. It's just regular that we have, but I think it'll be good. We'll walk you through, I guess, ingredients and step by step, and I hope you enjoy. We've got all the ingredients ready to go, ready to put in the pan. We're again making butter chicken, and you eat it with rice or naan, which is like a type of bread. And we've doubled the recipe, so what you see in front of me, this is about 3 pounds of chicken. It says you need 1 medium onion per batch, and I had a large onion, so this is about 2 medium onions. We have butter and oil that we're gonna cook the chicken in first, or cook not the chicken, the garlic and the ginger and onions, and then we'll start adding all the ingredients together. In this little glass container there's seasonings, and it's pretty potent. So what we have in here is some garam masala, we have some chili powder, we have fenugreek, we have cumin, we have salt, pepper. So all of this is gonna season all of this chicken and goodness, and it'll be delicious. So the only thing I don't have showing is the heavy cream. It's in the fridge. We'll grab it towards the end. So I'm gonna get started by taking ingredients and going over there, and as I go I'll let you know how much, and we'll have the recipe in the comments below, or in the description below. So first we want to heat up the butter and oil. So it's got 2 tablespoons of butter and then 2 tablespoons of oil, but remember we're going to be cooking 3 pounds of chicken, so that's a pretty good ratio. Oil, butter, and onions first. Alright, so the onions have been cooking on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now what we're going to add is the ginger and garlic, literally just for 30 seconds, and then we'll add the chicken in. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook for a while. Cook it till it's, I don't know, like 5 to 6 or 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how big of a batch you're doing. But you want to cook it to make sure it's cooked thoroughly, and cook it to your liking. Some people like to try to keep it moist. Some people like to dry it out. We do boneless, skinless chicken breast, so it's a little on the drier side, just because there's not a lot of fat. But once that's done cooking, then we'll continue with the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so the chicken is ready for us to add the rest of the ingredients, and I don't know, I guess depending on what kind of chicken you buy, there might be excess water in it because it's frozen and then thawed out, right? So there might be some additional liquid in your pan that you're cooking the food in. You don't have to drain it, just continue with adding everything else. So I like to use a mixture of tomato paste and tomato sauce, so it's not so thick. So I'm gonna do 1 6-ounce tomato paste and 1 8-ounce tomato sauce. And then we're gonna go ahead and add all of the seasonings in as well, and we will just cook it for another, I don't know, 6-7 minutes until just all the flavors and everything marinate, and then it's almost time to eat. Alright, so we're getting to the end of it. So last ingredients, we're gonna get some heavy cream. For 1 serving, it's 1 cup for what we're
2
cooking.
cups.
Yeah, 2. There's a little bit left for my next coffee. So you want to go ahead and mix in the heavy cream, and then turn it down to a simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. And if you're hungry, 8 minutes. If you can wait, 10 minutes. Most of the time, it's about 8 minutes for us because we're hungry. Not me, him.
Hey!
Alright, so it's dinner time. And I've made my bowl and he's made his bowl, so we eat our food differently. He mixes and I just pick at what I want to eat. But this is what we're having for dinner tonight, and we're gonna taste it. Hopefully it's good. No, we know it's good.
That's the naan in the microwave getting heated up.
Oh, yeah. And we'll show you what kind we use because we don't make it from scratch. So, how could you eat that? It's so hot.
I was hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Good like always.
Alright.
And this is the naan that we get from Costco. It's an 18 pack. We definitely don't eat all of it, but that's the naan we go with. So yeah.
Everything's good.
We're gonna go eat dinner. Tune in next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Oh, now we gotta put the cutting boards in the trash.
The cutting boards in the trash.
In the trash.
We're gonna put the cutting boards in the trash.
Oh my god. It's been a day, I swear. So, welcome back to our channel. We're gonna do some cooking.
We're gonna do some cooking. Alright.
No, I'm gonna come over here. Oh wait, no. Well, switch.
Switch! I'll be in the corner like a bad little...
Tablespoon and you should
There's two of each.
I know, I had some missing from another one, so I just combined them. Do you know what to do with that? You have to peel it. You have to peel the skin off, and then you cut it like the garlic. No, just use a little paring knife. The small.